Hey everyone, welcome back. Is base taking forever to open, stuck on a spinning loading screen, or showing your balances as blank for ages every time you open it? Here are the iPhone fixes that speed it up immediately. First, toggle airplane mode off. Go to your settings app and then tap the airplane toggle to turn it on. Wait 15 seconds and tap on it again to turn it back off. This stops your iPhone's current network session and forces a completely fresh one. Since Base has to connect to the blockchain network to load your balances and activity, a stale network session is the most common reason it hangs on load even when other apps work fine. If it's still so after that, in the settings itself, scroll down to find base or search for it directly. Once you find it, tap on it. Then look for background app refresh and make sure that it is toggled on. This lets Base prefetch some blockchain data in the background so it opens faster instead of loading every time from zero. Also, in the settings itself, go to General, then go to iPhone storage and check your available storage. If storage is nearly full, every app including Base slows down significantly. Free up space by uploading app you do not have to use. So all you gotta do is go to airplane mode and off to reset network, turn on background app refresh for Base, free up iPhone storage, Base loads and syncs fast again, and that's it. Subscribe.